Yum, yum. They said fit in the rain, I get in the flock out of here, fellas.
I've got 2 in here, but that's all right.
Welcome to Never Done Projects. Yeah, that's the name. We are the original, silly little YouTube channel on your internet machine. The best you've ever seen. Hit that like button now. Subscribe for a while. Comment what you think is true. Join our members crew. Only $4.99 a month. That's a steal, that's a stunt. On the wall by the road, you'll be a part of our family. No religion talk, no politics here, no controversial junk, no fear, no outlandish stuff, no way, just good vibes every single day. Don't need no inappropriate conduct here. No time for stupidity. And always try to have a good time and make yourself happy while doing something today you can smile about tomorrow. Only $4.99 a month. That's a steal, that's a stunt.
It's the most mild I think I've ever heard it. I think it's safe to say it ain't gonna happen.
Hey, hold on.
Oh Lord. I would just like you to know it was making the same noises that mine made.
Yeah, I'll go get the tractor and take that part back. Well, I'm not gonna spray in this storm,
If it gonna rain.
so take it back off and put the tire back on.
Well, here we are again. Fireball. Yeah, yeah. She came home black with a Z on the side, 93 Camaro with a whole lot of pride. First one we bought with the little money we had for a little YouTube dream that refused to fade. We thought we'd drive, I thought she'd stay alive, but Fireball's got me wanna know. But I already know. Fireball, broken again. How the hell does this story always end? We fix her up, we send her down the road, then something breaks and adds another load. Fireball, don't let her die. She's been fighting us her whole damn life. She may be broken, but she ain't done.
That steering wheel's sticky. Alright everybody, here we are underneath Fireball. I feel like I just did this. Oh wait, I did. Let me go get a little like tin-foil pan and the oil drain pan, and we're just going to see if this is saveable. So be back. I know I just turned you on. Calm down. Alright, here we go everybody. I feel like I just did this 7 days ago. Is the air compressor even on? I thought it was here. Here we go. Turns out we turned the air compressor off. You say you did put the tractor up, right?
Yeah. I don't know who did that. I've never turned it off that way.
Right easier?
Huh?
Hey, we didn't put these under.
Oh,
Put it under the jack. Let me look. Good?
yeah.
Before long, this ain't gonna be sketchy. It's just gonna be normal days for us.
Yep.
But everybody, I did figure out why the rear end was bouncing. The first time, whenever we did the 410s, I loosened up the nuts that's holding this sway bar, and them things, they weren't hand tight, but they were a little bit past hand tight.
Did you get the
I think it's up there in the office.
it was on the ground. Where was we using? Oh, putting the tires on the front.
It's in the office. If you want to go double check, you can.
You said it's in the office.
I'm about 99% sure it is, so you might want to double check.
Is that what the thing is for this? The socket?
No, the socket's up there in the weld shop. I'll wait till you get here and take the pan off. Or the diff cover, excuse me. Some terminology wizard's gonna correct that one, I guarantee it. Well, never mind. Ain't gotta worry about that. I ain't got enough people watching. Well, no giant chunks come flying out, so that's good, I guess. Let's see. never mind. Scratch that. I said, well, there ain't no big chunks coming out, and I pulled the pan.
I figured that was gonna be there.
Will you zoom in now?
I got it.
It's the bigger of the two sides.
Not small.
Oh, really? All right, on a scale of 1 to 10 volt, how bad is it? Well, the pin still in.
Oh no. Don't say that.
You need a new pinion.
It ain't in neutral.
You won't bet? I put it in neutral.
Oh, okay. Let me give you the flashlight. I want to see.
Okay, that's still spinning. That's still spinning. So his axles have survived. Let me get the socket, take that out.
Shit.
You clunked it around to get it back in. Whenever you clunked it around to get it back in, I about guarantee that's what happened. But it was either that or risk getting hit on the highway. This thing in there. Tack. Good news is your axles still turn. Oh yeah, run right through my damn grass. Stupid. See you next Tuesday. Not my fault the dumbass can't figure out where they're going. Oh, it doesn't look like the pin here's broke. So, hey, this is still not broke. That's still good. Yeah, how hard that son of a gun right there is turning. Is not a good time. We broke both of your blocks. There's a lot of big chunks in the bottom. Did you go get the flashlight? Yeah. Are you ready, kids?
Didn't mess up the big ones.
Yeah, the big one looks good. Are you fucking kidding me? I guess it's dead. Well, I guess I don't technically have to drop the torque arm to take the drive shaft off, but I am going to take all this back out.
All gotta come out. All gotta come
Oh
out.
yeah, it's all got to come out again. This is a ouch moment, but we can pretty well call it right there. That just slammed the brakes on.
You know what you need before taking it apart?
15, 15, 15,
No, I'm
15,
talking about
15.
to order.
I could find it on our recent orders. And I can order one. I can order a new pinion and gear set.
You don't need the whole thing, do you?
You shouldn't need the whole thing, you just need the pinion, but
Yeah.
this is savable. I don't think you can buy just a pinion. If you can, we'll look it up. But yeah. That's the end of that boo-boo.
If I mess something up, I told y'all I'd do it right.
I mean, again, it's still connecting without binding up like that.
That's just cause it's chewed up the edge of the.
Yeah. But I mean, that's gonna be all we can do with it right now. We're gonna have to get the new pinion gear in and get it tore apart even more. So until next time.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you tomorrow for another episode of Never Done Projects. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And tell them if these idiots can do it, we can too.